How to download from Google Drive to iPhone. To get started, first of all go ahead and open up the Drive app on your phone. The Google Drive app on iPhone allows users to access, store, and manage files in their Google Drive storage. It provides a convenient way to upload, share, and collaborate on documents, spreadsheets, and other files from an iPhone. Once you're here, open any folder in the Files section. As you can see, there is a video in this folder. If you want to download this video, then tap on the three dots beside the video as shown. Select Download over here. You have now successfully downloaded this video to your phone. Following these steps, you can easily download from Google Drive to iPhone. Thank you for watching. Please leave a like if this tutorial helped you, or leave a comment below if you have any questions related to the video.